Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Emily, have you checked the gold rates today? I heard they've been on a roller coaster ride lately.
Oh, absolutely, Mike. Gold rates are like that mysterious friend who keeps surprising you. But I haven't checked today. Do you have the latest scoop?
Well, I do. The gold rate today is 62.07116 US dollars 1 gram. It's like a suspense thriller. You never know what's going to happen next.
Suspense thriller indeed, Mike. And you know what they say about gold, it's like a timeless fashion statement.
Oh, I've got a few pieces, Emily. Gold is like a reliable classic in the jewelry world. But it's also like having a tiny bank vault in your drawer.
Haha, a stylish bank vault. That's one way to put it, Mike. So, speaking of gold, did you ever hear any interesting facts about it?
Absolutely, Emily. Did you know that all the gold ever mined in the world could fit into 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools? It's like a treasure hunt on a global scale.
Wow, that's mind-blowing, Mike. It's like gold is this compact, incredibly valuable resource. And here we are, talking about it like it's just another topic.
Haha, that's the beauty of conversations, Emily. You can dive into the deep end of knowledge while sipping your coffee. So, any plans to invest in gold?
Well, Mike, you never know when the next gold rush might happen, right? It's like having a little insurance policy for the future.
Haha, a glittering insurance policy. And you're right, Emily, gold has this timeless allure. It's like a language everyone understands.
Absolutely, Mike. It transcends borders and cultures. But hey, before we wrap up, any golden jokes or puns to share?
Of course, Emily. Why don't gold atoms trust each other? Because they're always owe some.
Haha, that's golden, Mike. Thanks for that touch of humor. Oh, to all our listeners out there, remember, whether you're investing in gold or just admiring its beauty, it's a topic that never goes out of style.
Part 2. Emily, gold rates can be fascinating, right? But here's a twist. Did you know that the price of gold can sometimes be affected by unusual events?
Really, Mike? Unusual events? Like what?
Well, think about it. When a big movie comes out with a storyline about treasure hunting or pirates, the demand for gold coins and jewelry can spike. It's like Hollywood influencing the gold market.
Haha, Hollywood and gold, an unlikely duo. But I guess that shows how versatile gold is. It can be a store of value, a fashion statement, and even a movie star.
Exactly, Emily. Gold is like the ultimate multi-talent. It can shine on the red carpet and in your investment portfolio.
Haha, that's a great way to put it, Mike. And you know, there's this saying about gold being the safe haven investment. It's like the anchor in a stormy sea of financial markets.
True, Emily. When the stock market gets wobbly or currencies are volatile, investors often turn to gold as a reliable asset. It's like the wise old friend you can always count on.
Haha, the wise old friend. That's a lovely way to think about it. So, what's your take on owning physical gold versus investing in gold stocks?
That's an interesting debate, Emily. Owning physical gold is like having a tangible treasure, while gold stocks are like owning a share of the gold mining business. It depends on your investment style.
So, are you more of a treasure hunter or a shareholder, Mike?
Well, I like the idea of both, Emily. A bit of treasure and a share in the gold adventure. It's like having your cake and eating it too.
Haha, cake and gold, a winning combination. Well, it's been quite a golden conversation, Mike. Any parting words for our listeners?
Absolutely, Emily. Whether you're a gold enthusiast or just curious about it, remember that gold is like a timeless companion on the journey of wealth and beauty.
Well said, Mike. And with that, we conclude our chat about gold rates and the golden world of investing. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more engaging topics and lively discussions.